Hello guys, today I want to teach us how to construct a square given the length of side. Now, you can pause the video to read these instructions carefully. Now, I'm sure we are all done with that. Now, the first instruction says what? Draw a line which is AB. That's one side of the square. We're going to draw. Since we're actually doing it this way, we won't be given the dimensions yet. So let's just draw something like this. Good. Now let us use a short distance, which is 1 2 3 4 5. Let's use 5 centimeters. Let us use 5 centimeters to be the length of one side. Now before you can get the other length, what do? According to your instruction, you are to construct a right angle. And before you construct a right angle, you must what? Bisect. Now you draw an arc like this, then you use this arc to bisect this point, and now you know that the point of intersection is where you get your what? Right angle. Very good. Now from here, what do? You join this point to your what? Right angle. Oh shit. Now the length of your square, of one side of your square, is what? 5 centimeters. So let's get it this way. This is the length. Use that cut here. Use it, cut here. Good. Now this line here is not long enough, so let us increase the length till now. Here you're going to create another point of intersection like this. Join this to this, and you have your perfect square constructed that way. Thank you all for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping more videos on construction with dimensions. Thank you so much. I love you.